It happened on the 7th of May 2021 during the COVID period. I was in the gym and I ruptured an artery while I was doing about 150 kg of deadlifts. But I felt dizzy, went outside the gym and then headed back home, passing by 2 hospitals just thinking there's a headache going on. And then after that I slept on it, and 24 hours later I couldn't feel my hand. I panicked, I phoned up the ambulance, and due to COVID it was a delay, so the hours got more delayed. So when I got taken in by the doctor, they thought that is nothing happening, it's just a headache. But when they done a CT scan, they found that I was having a stroke going on. So they had to take me to another hospital, a neurological one. For 7 days I was there while I was put on pipe for feeding me and stuff. They retransferred me back to my local hospital. I stayed there, tried a bit of physio, didn't work out, and then they sent me to rehabilitation to another hospital. June to August, I was in that other hospital for rehabilitation. Once they put me out in the ward, I felt like, that's it, my life is gone. Now what am I gonna do now?
Prabhdeep came to us 4 years after his brain stroke episode. He had significant weakness in his left upper extremity. He was not able to grasp and release objects. His walking pattern was also quite abnormal, and he had a lot of issues with balance and independence.
My hand was still with hardcore spasticity, and that's when I found Mission Health.
Considering the chronic nature of his condition, we designed an aggressive, high-intensity neurorehabilitation protocol. Advanced robotic-assisted therapy was used for both upper limb and lower limb rehabilitation.
And then I came here in July. I've been doing 6 days a week here. I've been working till now, and I've got a few more days left here, maybe for about 3-4 months, and then I'll be coming back again.
His left upper limb strength progressed from grade 3 to 4. Functional grasp and release became possible, and his walking pattern improved with better symmetry, reduced circumduction, and increased balance.
My wrist, with the wrist machine, I started at 4 points, gradually moving. Today I've beaten my score up to 8.74, so I'm achieving high goals.
After years of living with post-stroke limitations, he was able to now grasp and release objects. His walking pattern dramatically improved, and he also achieved balance and independence in his daily activities. His recovery is a testament to what's possible with right intervention. Stories like his remind us why we do what we do, because at Mission Health, recovery knows no boundaries.
I would say to people, whether they're in India or whether they're in UK or anywhere, America, if you want the right guidance, it's best to come here. It's best to come here